Hey everyone! Welcome back to Sam Trading Strategies, your favorite place to learn smart, simple, and profitable trading methods online. In today's video, I'm going to show you a powerful price action binary strategy that needs no indicators at all. That's right, no indicators needed. Just pure candlestick patterns that can help you spot high probability trade setups. But first, an important risk warning. Binary options trading carries financial risk. There's no guarantee of profit, and you could lose your money. This video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. Always trade responsibly and never risk more than you can afford to lose. So, if you're ready to learn how to find high probability trade setups with just a few easy steps, keep watching till the end. I'll even show you this strategy live in action so you can see how it works in real time. But before we start, take a second to smash the like button if you enjoy simple and smart trading tips, hit subscribe if you're new here, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss any future strategies. All right, let's dive into today's special setup. This is a pure price action strategy using a 3-candle pattern. There are no indicators, just what you see on the chart. We'll look at 2 patterns, one for buy trades, one for sell trades. Let's first understand how to take a buy trade using this price action pattern. Step 1. Look for this candle pattern on the chart. 1. Green, bullish candle, followed by 2 red, bearish candles. Step 2. Now focus on the second candle in the pattern, the second red candle. Look at its wicks, the small lines on top and bottom. Step 3. Check which wick is longer, top or bottom. If the top wick is longer, draw a horizontal line at the top side of the candle's body, not the wick. Step 4. Now wait. Let the price go down first. Then, when the price starts coming up from below, watch for a green candle to break and close above that horizontal line with its full body, not just the wick. If that happens, enter a buy trade immediately. But remember, only take the trade if the breakout is with the candle body and the top wick was longer on the last red candle. Use 1-minute candles, and your trade expiry should be 1 minute. Now let's see how to take a sell trade using the same logic, just in reverse. Step 1. Look for this pattern on the chart. 1 red, bearish candle, followed by 2 green, bullish candles. Step 2. Focus on the second green candle. Check the wicks. Which one is longer? Step 3. If the bottom wick is longer, draw a horizontal line at the bottom side of the candle's body. Step 4. Let the price move up first. Then watch as it starts to come down. If a red candle breaks and closes below the line with its full body, that's your signal to enter a sell trade. Again, make sure breakout is by the body. The lower wick was longer on the last green candle. Before you use this strategy with real money, make sure you practice it well on a demo account. Once you're confident, only then trade on a live account. Stay with me, because now we're going to see this strategy in action with live examples on the chart. Let's see how powerful this pattern really is when the market is moving. All right, I've just placed a sell trade based on our strategy. Let's watch and see how it plays out. Notice how the price had formed that perfect 3-candle pattern, a bearish candle followed by 2 bullish candles, and the lower wick of the second bullish candle was longer. I marked a horizontal line at the bottom of the candle body, and when the red candle closed below that line with its full body, that was our clear signal to enter the trade. Now we wait. Just a few seconds left on the clock. Let's see if this trade ends in profit. You can see how clean and simple this setup is. There are no indicators crowding the chart, just pure price action doing its magic. This is the beauty of trading with patterns. When you understand how candles behave, you can find high probability entries without any confusion. And don't worry, I'll be showing you more examples so you get a better feel for spotting this setup live. Yes, we just won this trade. Now let's move on to another live trade setup so you can see how this works again in a different market condition. All right, traders. As per our strategy, this is a textbook buy trade setup. We've got 1 strong bullish candle, followed by 2 bearish candles, and the upper wick of the second red candle is longer, just the way we want it. So I've drawn a horizontal line at the top of the candle body where that upper wick was longer. Now look at this. A fresh green candle has just broken above that line with its full body. This confirms our entry signal. So I've entered a buy trade, and now we just have to wait for the candle to close and see how this trade performs. Let's keep watching the price action closely. This is the exciting part, seeing how a well-planned trade setup plays out live on the chart. And remember, this strategy is not about guessing, it's about reading candles smartly, waiting for proper confirmation, and only then entering the trade. Just a few seconds left now. Stay with me as we wait for the final result. Yes, we just won this trade, and once again, the strategy worked exactly as planned. But don't go anywhere. I want you to see how this strategy performs in different market conditions. So let's look for another setup together. All right, traders, take a look at this setup. I've just placed a buy trade according to our strategy. We had a clean 3-candle pattern here. One bullish candle followed by 2 bearish ones. The second red candle had a longer upper wick, so I drew the horizontal line at the top of its body. Now, although this trade fits our strategy, notice something important. The bullish candle that broke out above the line is very strong and large. When a breakout candle is too strong or too big, it might mean the move is already overextended. So, personally, I would suggest being careful or even skipping such setups. But I've still taken this trade to show you what happens. Whether it wins or not, it's a great learning opportunity. Let's wait and watch how this plays out. This is also a part of trading, learning from each situation, not just the perfect ones. Real trading is about experience, observation, and knowing when to enter and when to avoid. So stay tuned. The result will be a good lesson either way. And we've won this trade too. Even though the breakout candle was strong, the setup followed our rules, and it worked out in our favor. But remember, just because a trade wins doesn't mean you should take every similar one. Always analyze carefully and avoid setups where the breakout candle looks too strong or risky. So, now you've seen this strategy in action, with both clean and tricky setups. The more you practice it, the better you'll get at spotting high-probability trades. Use a demo account first, test it well, and don't rush into real trades. Trading is about skill, not luck. If you found this video helpful, do give it a like, subscribe to Sam Trading Strategies, and hit the bell icon so you never miss any of my new trading tips and live examples. Also, let me know in the comments what you think of this price action strategy, and if you want more videos like this with live trade breakdowns. Thanks for watching, stay disciplined, and I'll see you in the next video with another smart strategy. Until then, happy trading.